Phonetics and phonology is the branch of linguistics. Like there are so many other branches, syntax, morphology, and semantics. Similarly, phonetics and phonology is the branch of linguistics. So how do we study language in phonetics and phonology? That's the topic for this session. In phonetics and phonology, we are concerned with the description of vowels and consonants, the speech sounds basically. So the speech sounds are further divided into vowels and consonants, right? So within phonetics and phonology, we would study that how vowels are different than consonants, and what are the features of vowels, and how consonants are formed, and what are the sub-kinds of consonants. And of course, we would also study within vowels that what are diphthongs and how they are formed. Then, within phonetics and phonology, we are also concerned with the description of the set of phonemes within a particular language, like how a language is a system of speech sound is working, right? Like how the sound patterns work within a particular language, like how specific speech sounds are produced, how they are transmitted, and how they are perceived in order to get the meanings behind those speech sounds, right? And within this part of phonetics and phonology, we not only discuss sounds as static entity, but we also discuss them as a dynamic entity, like how sounds are changing when they are in continuous speech style. Okay, so that's also the point for discussion within phonetics and phonology. There are so many other types of studies which may be carried out within phonetics and phonology. Let me highlight few important ones here. Like, for example, with the help of phonetics and phonology, we can document a language which is not documented yet. And this branch of phonetics and phonology would, I think, more effectively work in a Pakistani context. Like, there are so many languages which are spoken in Pakistan, and we can work on them by using phonetics and phonology. We can document languages which are only oral, which are not yet written, right? So in order to document them, we need to go through the processes which are developed by the experts of phonetics and phonology in order to document a particular language, right? We would further discuss this point in detail in some of the later sessions, right? And when a language is documented, then there are so many other possibilities that how a language description can be carried out. Like by documentation, I mean that a language is documented, but we need to further develop and describe specific features of a specific language, right? So by language description, that we not only document a language, but then we fully describe the features of that language. And with the help of phonetics and phonology, we can use the patterns, the methodologies which are used in field linguistics. And within field linguistics, like how to collect data and then how to describe a specific set of data in order to fully document the speech sounds of language. Since Pakistan is linguistically a very rich country, so we can further develop and describe those undocumented languages, right? So that can also be one topic within phonetics and phonology. Okay, there is one more topic which can be covered within phonetics and phonology, and that's from typological linguistics point of view. Typological linguistically, we can use phonetics and phonology in order to evaluate and to describe, to investigate and describe basically the speech sounds, and we can analyze them cross-linguistically, like how specific sound works within specific language families, right? And this cross-linguistic variation is basically the topic of typological linguistics, in which we can not only do some comparisons, but we can also generalize those comparisons in order to come up with some theoretical justifications. And that topic is nowadays very important for typological linguists. And that is also the part of areal linguistics, right? So this typological linguistics can also be helped out by the study of phonetics and phonology.